Hello, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the second type of teeth whitening. But one special thing also in this video is we are also going to be discussing the eyeball whitening also. Like we'll be whitening the teeth and the eyes as well. So let's get right into it. So I'm done with my frequency separation. I'm done with my color grading. I'm done with everything. So I'm left with just the teeth and the eyes. So if you remember, okay, the thing is I'll be doing the last method again, just so you can grab some things in case there's something you need, in case there's something you miss, in case something is not clear. I'll be doing like that again. So I'll be doing that very fast now. So let's create a black and white layer. Control I to invert. Control I. So let's go to our brush tool. Okay, opacity is 100, and then we are using white. If you remember. Okay, so I'll be zooming onto the teeth now. Yeah, so I do that quickly. Don't forget, I'm painting on the teeth. I'm painting on the teeth. Don't forget to make sure you are careful with this so as not to contaminate other areas that are not where you are supposed to paint. Okay, so I'll be doing the same thing to the eyes. I'll be doing the same thing to the eyes. Okay, so you have to be very careful here. You have to be very careful not to paint to the edges here. When you paint these edges, then the eye is not going to be looking real. It's going to be looking fake, as if it's a cartoon. So let me undo that. If you notice, I'm not painting the real edges, like these edges. I'm not painting them. So to the second eye, you have to be very careful here. Don't paint these areas unless or else the picture is going to look fake, like it's going to look like a cartoon. Okay, so let me zoom out a bit. Yeah, so according to what we did last time, we are working with the yellows here. Double click this place. When you double click this will come out the properties. So increase the yellows. The more you increase it, the whiter it will be. So when you reduce it, it get darker. But the more you increase it, the whiter it will be. So I think I'm okay with this. I'm to zoom out. Okay, I think this is looking pretty well. It's okay. So after, before, after. So I'm going to be hiding this layer now, this black and white. Yeah. So we're going to be talking about the second type of the second method. Like now I told you there are so many methods you can use, but I will be showing you just two methods which are very identical. So for this second method, we are going to be working with just EU and saturation. So you'll be bringing the saturation to zero, I mean minus 100, which is the same thing as the black and white. Just like when we use the black and white earlier, before inverting it, it was just like this. You understand? It was just like this. So this one also, after bringing the saturation to minus 100, we press Control I to invert. Then just as we've painted on the black and white, you have to paint on the teeth also. You have to paint on the teeth also. So that's just it. Those are the simplest methods, like the two simplest methods through which you can through which you can make your teeth and your eyeballs whiter, like clean and very white, unlike this yellow one. So let me show this again. Yeah, this is after, before, after, before, after, before, after. So let me know what you feel in the comment section. If there's something you want me to treat, if there's a tutorial you want me to make a video on, please just let me know in the comment section and we'll be diving right into it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much.